insist, insist, insist.
This means to strongly say or believe something is true, even if others disagree with you. Here is a sample sentence. She insisted that she had studied for the exam, but her low score suggested otherwise. In this example, insisted means to strongly and firmly assert or maintain something, often in the face of opposition or skepticism.
Insolvent, insolvent, insolvent.
This term refers to someone or something that doesn't have enough money to pay their debts or bills. Here is a sample sentence. The small business was forced to file for bankruptcy after it became clear that they were insolvent and unable to pay their debts. In this example, insolvent means being financially unable to meet one's debts or obligation.
Inspect, inspect, inspect.
To look carefully at something to check if everything is okay or correct. Here is a sample sentence. The building inspector checked every inch of the new construction to ensure it met all safety codes. This sentence demonstrates the verb inspect in action, showing someone, the building inspector, examining something, the new construction, to verify its quality or compliance with standards.
Inspection, inspection, inspection.
It's when someone looks closely at something to check if it's okay or meets certain standards. Here is a sample sentence. The home inspector spent several hours conducting a thorough inspection of the property to identify any potential issues or defects.
Inspector, inspector, inspector.
Someone who checks or examines something to make sure everything is correct or proper. Here is a sample sentence. The police inspector carefully examined the crime scene to gather evidence and piece together the events of the night. This sentence demonstrates how the word inspector can be used in context, implying someone who has been appointed or authorized to investigate or examine something.
Inspiration, inspiration, inspiration.
It's an idea or feeling that helps you think, feel, or do something creative or new. Here is a sample sentence. The motivational speech by her idol was the perfect inspiration she needed to pursue her lifelong dream of becoming a professional artist.
Inspire, inspire, inspire.
This means to give someone an idea or feeling that makes them want to do something creative, helpful, or good. Here is a sample sentence. The motivational speech inspired her to pursue her lifelong dream of becoming a professional artist.
Install, install, install.
To put something into place so that it can be used or work properly. Here is a sample sentence. The technician will install the new software on your computer during the maintenance check.
Installation, installation, installation.
It's the act of putting something in place, often for a specific purpose or to make something work properly. Here is a sample sentence. The new software installation took several hours to complete, but it was worth it in the end because it improved the system's performance significantly.
Installment, installment, installment.
It's a part or share of something that is paid or given at regular times, like a series of payments for something you buy. Here is a sample sentence. The monthly payment on my car loan is an installment of $300, which will be paid over the course of 60 months. In this example, installment refers to one part of a series of payments that make up the total cost or amount owed.
Instance, instance, instance.
It's something that happens or exists at a particular time, like an event or a situation. Here is a sample sentence. The new employee's inability to meet deadlines was an instance of her lack of experience in managing multiple projects simultaneously. In this example, instance refers to a specific case or occurrence that illustrates a particular point.
Instinct, instinct, instinct.
It's an automatic feeling or reaction that people have, often without thinking about it. It's like knowing something without being told. Here is a sample sentence. After being lost in the woods for hours, Sarah's instincts kicked in, and she knew exactly which direction to head to find her way back home. In this example, instinct refers to an innate or intuitive sense that guides Sarah's actions.
Instinctive. Instinctive. Instinctive.
It means doing something without thinking about it, because you've learned to do it naturally over time. Here is a sample sentence for the word instinctive. After years of observing her mother's cooking techniques, Emma developed an instinctive sense of how to season a dish just right. In this example, instinctive means having or showing a natural and intuitive ability or tendency, often without needing to think about it.
Institute. Institute. Institute.
It's an organization or group that aims to teach, research, or promote something, often with a specific goal or purpose. Here's a sample sentence. The university will institute a new policy requiring all students to complete a community service project as part of their graduation requirements. In this example, institute means to establish or put into effect a rule, policy, or a procedure.
Institution. Institution. Institution.
It's a long-standing organized system or structure that has rules and traditions, often established by society to help people live together and work together. Here is a sample sentence. The university was a respected institution in the community, known for its rigorous academic programs and esteemed faculty. In this example, university is an institution, a formal organization or establishment that provides education, services, or other benefits to society.
Instruct. Instruct. Instruct.
This word means to teach or tell someone how to do something, often by giving clear directions or instructions. Here is a sample sentence. The teacher instructed the students to read chapter 3 and answer the questions at the end. In this sentence, instruct means to give instructions or guidance on what to do.
Instruction. Instruction. Instruction.
It's guidance or teaching on how to do something, often given by someone who knows more about it than you do. Here's a sample sentence. The teacher provided clear instructions on how to complete the math assignment, making sure that every student understood what was expected of them.
Instructive. Instructive. Instructive.
This word means something that teaches or shows you something, often by being an example or a demonstration. It helps you learn or understand something new. Here's a sample sentence. The documentary was instructive, providing valuable insights into the historical events that shaped our country. In this example, the word instructive means providing useful information or lessons and helps to convey that the documentary was informative and educational.
Instrument. Instrument. Instrument.
It's something used to help or assist with a task, often by making things easier or more efficient. Here is a sample sentence. The violin is a musical instrument that requires great skill and practice to play well. This sentence demonstrates how the word instrument can be used in context, referring to an object, the violin, that serves a specific purpose, making music.
Instrumental. Instrumental. Instrumental.
This word means something that helps or supports, but isn't the main thing itself. It's like a tool that makes something else work better. Here is a sample sentence. The instrumental version of her favorite song was perfect for studying because it didn't have any distracting vocals. In this example, instrumental refers to music that features only instruments and no singing.